Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run a marathon. Preparing for a marathon is a significant undertaking, requiring dedication and a well-structured approach. Begin your training at least 16 weeks before race day, allowing ample time for your body to adapt. Gradually increase your weekly mileage by no more than 10% to avoid overtraining. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your plan and listen to your body throughout the process. Proper nutrition and hydration are crucial for marathon success. Focus on a balanced diet, emphasizing complex carbohydrates for energy, lean proteins for muscle repair, and healthy fats. During your long training runs, practice your race day fueling strategy, including gels or chews, to ensure your body tolerates them well. Staying hydrated is equally important. Drink water and electrolyte beverages consistently, especially in the days leading up to the race. On race day, a smart pacing strategy can make all the difference. Resist the temptation to start too fast. Begin at a comfortable, sustainable pace. Many runners aim for a negative split, meaning they run the second half of the race slightly faster than the first. Mentally break the 26.2 miles into smaller, more manageable segments. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your pace as necessary to conserve energy and finish strong. After completing your marathon, proper recovery is essential for your body. Immediately after crossing the finish line, walk for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down gradually. Rehydrate with water and electrolytes, and refuel with a balanced meal of carbohydrates and protein within 30 minutes. Elevate your legs and consider an ice bath to help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Give your body ample time to rest and recover before jumping back into intense training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.